Go ahead and fold in about a cup of chocolate chips right into your Cool Whip. Now here we have some sprinkles. Just open right up and we're gonna pour some sprinkles right here on our plate. Wow, look at how colorful those are. Ooh, I love those. Here we have a graham cracker that we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna break right in half. We'll take that mixture that we made right here of this Cool Whip and those chocolate chips. Oh, I almost forgot there for a second. We're spreading it right there in the center to where we'll take that bottom half and we're just gonna sandwich it right in there just like that. Then we'll take our spatula and we're gonna even out all the sides so they're nice and smooth. Wow, look at that. And we'll just dip these sides right here into our sprinkles. Just covering all the ends just like this. And we'll go ahead and place it right there on our baking sheet. Oh my goodness, look at how cute these are. I love the colors from the sprinkles. They were super easy to come together. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop them in the freezer for a couple hours, let that Cool Whip freeze up, and then we're gonna bite into them and give them a try and see how great they are. Our little frozen treats are all done, and oh my goodness, look at how cute those look. Oh, they turned out perfect. I think they're even gonna taste better than they look, and they look adorable. I'm gonna pick this one right here with the sprinkles, and let's see. Wow.
Good.
That is so good. Oh my gosh, and you know what? The Cool Whip just isn't as sweet as like ice cream. It's lighter. I love it. And the chocolate chips are such a good added touch. Goes great with the graham cracker. You guys, this is like a win situation here. Easy, delicious, colorful, cute. I'm sold. Let me know what you think of it. Good.